Hello, hi, and welcome to yet another episode of my channel. Today, I am going to be doing a medical video which is related to the topic spine health. Nowadays, most of the people in their middle ages suffering from lower back pain or problems related to the spine because they are not aware or they don't know the preventive measures to keep their spine healthy. In this video, we are discussing about the essential methods or preventive measures to keep your spine healthy. So let's start and discuss the topic. For better understanding, here I am dividing this topic into 4 groups, that is preventive measures, healthy habits, ergonomic tips and spine friendly activities. Spine friendly activities means the physical activities that you should add on your daily workouts. The activities of spine includes yoga, cycling, swimming, walking and pilates. Yoga, which strengthens core and improves flexibility. Swimming is a low impact exercise for spine health. Cycling also a low impact exercise, but it is an exercise for cardiovascular problems. Regular walking for a spine mobility. And Pilates. Pilates is used for core strengthening and for body control. In ergonomic tips, there are 5 points to follow. First of all, monitor your height at eye level from 20 to 25 inches away. Then keyboard position. Keyboard position, which means keep your elbows at 90 degree and wrist straight. And while sitting in chair, support your back or lumbar region and keep your feet flat or foot rest position. And in workstation, keep adjustable desk or standing desk. Also, while walking, take 5 to 10 minutes break. Now, let's discuss about healthy habits for a good spine. First of all, sleep on a supportive mattress which should replace every 7 to 10 years. Secondly, maintain a healthy weight to reduce pressure on spine. Also, stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water for disc health. And then, if you are a chain smoker or having habit of smoking, quit smoking as early as possible because smoking accelerates spinal degeneration. And most importantly, to manage your stress by yoga, meditation and deep breathing. And most important to discuss in this topic is preventive measures. So let's discuss the preventive measures to keep your spine healthy. First of all, maintain good posture by standing tall, shoulders back and weight evenly distributed. Secondly, stretch regularly, that is the neck, back and the hamstring stretches to prevent the muscle spasm. Also, exercise for core strength that strengthens abdominal and back muscles for spinal support. While doing workouts, when you lift heavy weights, lift properly by bending knees, keep back straight and lift with legs. Take breaks between every 30 to 60 minutes and then stand, stretch and move. This is all about my today's discussion. For further discussion, be sure to like, comment, subscribe and click the notification bell so that you are notified upon every single uploads. Thank you.